stress of those sounds and being forced into a new position for that period of time, it can be enough to cause a heart attack. With 5 years of wool growth on top of Ben, there could be just about anything lurking underneath that fleece. He's all man. Is pulling on the skin. Each time it pulls the skin out, he's got some arthritis in this elbow joint of his.
Right.
Now, that could be the result of an injury he's picked up, or it could be wear and tear. I'd say it's probably a little bit of both.
Thank you.